Namaste. This is JVN Dr. Meenakshi Soni, Faculty of Homeopathic Science, Department of Homeopathic Repertory, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. This is my session number 30. Today's my topic is modalities. Modalities are one of the most important aspects to consider when choosing a remedy and are used whether it's an acute or chronic case. They are essential criterion that enables us to decide between the remedies, and without this defining information the remedy search is often too generalized. The modalities of a symptom are what makes the symptom better or worse, and this information is often recorded by homeopaths in patients' notes and the homeopathic text using the narrations better or the ameliorated from it, worse from, aggravated by. From the moment you learn the first remedy, you start to learn its modalities. Modalities can apply to all sort of factors such as the effects on the individual or on the symptom from the weather, movement, time, and temperature. Even the full moon, food, desire, aversion, sites of the body affected, consistency and color of discharges, frequency, complaints, and so the list goes on. Modalities कोई भी हो सकती है जिसकी वजह से पेशेंट की कंप्लेंट बढ़ भी सकती है, घट भी सकती है. These modalities are also a causative factor. मोडालिटीज को पॉजिटिव फैक्टर के तौर में भी आप अपनी केस टेकिंग में नोट डाउन कर सकते हो. Modality is the circumstances and the condition that affect or modify a symptom. Aggravation means increase the condition due to any circumstances. It is denoted by the symbol that is mentioned. Amelioration, which gives relief or the reduced intensity. Amelioration का symbol just इसके opposite होता है. Importance of modality क्या है? According to Dr. Henneman in aphorism number 18, while considering totality of the symptom, which accompanying factor, which modified or which changes to the patient equilibrium, the factor which increase and decrease the condition in every individual choice of case or the remedy, the sum of all modality help to individualize and also help to selection of the remedy. Modalities guides to select the remedy. डॉक्टर हैनीमैन के अकॉर्डिंग जो भी बॉडी का इक्विलिब्रियम अगर चेंज हो रहा है और जिस चेंज की वजह से वो बढ़ रहा है या घट रहा है तो वहाँ पे हम उस मोडालिटीज को यूज करते हैं फॉर द सिलेक्शन ऑफ द रेमेडी एंड फॉर द इंडिविजुअलाइजेशन, क्योंकि हर पेशेंट का जो मोडालिटी होता है वो अलग अलग होता है. Dr. Boger rearranged the repertory part by the giving modalities chapter in his repertory. At the end, there is separate chapter on modalities. Conditions of aggravation and amelioration in this chapter are given by Dr. Boger, and modalities have a particular separate space. Aggravation and amelioration are the factors that help us to select a medicine, also taken into the consideration the causative modalities. So with the help of modalities find out the cause of disease. With the help of modalities आप रेमेडी सेलेक्ट कर सकते हैं, कॉज ऑफ डिसीज को फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं, इंडिविजुअलाइजेशन कर सकते हैं, डिफरेंशिएशन कर सकते हैं. ये सारे के सारे काम आप इस मोडालिटीज के बेस पे कर सकते हैं. Homeopathy is the system of medicine where the simillimum is selected on the basis of homeopathic philosophy, homeopathic materia medica, and prescription on the basis of modality gives your best simillimum remedy. The topic is completed. My reference book are Essential of Repertorization by Shashikant Tiwari and Reprior by the Khanaj. Thank you. This session is powered by Digital Version 2.0, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. Hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in the comment box. I will resolve it quickly.